Glen, one Easter moon, to city Ferrodai. When dark lines of marching men in the squadrons passed me by, no pipe did hum, no battle drum did sound, it's the tattoo. But the angel's bell over Liffey's rang out through the foggy dew. Right proudly high over Dublin town, they hang out the flag of war. Those better to die than Irish sky, and a Sulu war. And from the place of royal meat, strong men came her and true, while Britannian hands with their long range guns sailing through the foggy dew. Hey! Nations might be free. Their loaded graves by the Stella trees, by the fringe of the great North Sea. But had they died by the Pierce's side, or fought with the noble Catabrew, their graves we'd keep where the Fenians sleep, in the shroud over foggy dew. The bravest bell and the southern bell rang born through the empire. For those who died that eastern tide, the springing of the year. And the world they gaze in a deep amaze, and those fearless men and true, for that fight, that freedom shine through the foggy dew. Hey!
Panska je ono kad po livadi ovčice trče i tako to, sve ćete čuti ovo. Jedan instrumental.